Hey everyone, and welcome back to the workshop.
Have you ever dreamt of building something special with your family?
Maybe a toy car for your little one, a cute birdhouse for the garden, or even a phone stand for your teenager's room. Well, guess what?
You don't need to be a master craftsman to make those dreams a reality. In this video, we'll be showing you some fantastic woodworking projects that are perfect for the whole family. Download free 50 plans in the video description below.
These builds are designed to be simple, safe, and most importantly, fun. We'll have options for all ages and skill levels, so whether you're
a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, there's something here for everyone.
We'll be covering things like the essential tools you'll need. Don't worry, it's a minimal list. Safety tips for working with wood, and step-by-step instructions for each project.
Plus, we'll share some handy tricks to make the process even smoother and more enjoyable. Let's face it, finding the right woodworking project for your family can be frustrating.
You might spend hours scouring the internet, only to find plans that are too complicated or just not age-appropriate.
But with our comprehensive woodworking plans, you can save yourself time and hassle. The plans are clear, concise, and easy to follow, so you can skip the confusion
and get straight to the fun part, building something awesome together. So, are you ready to create lasting memories with your family and build something truly special?
Well, the wait is over.
Our exclusive woodworking plans for these amazing projects are available for download right now. But hurry, this is a limited time offer, so don't miss out.
Head down to the description box below for the link to download our woodworking plans. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative DIY projects for the whole family.
We'll see you in the next one.